That was very important because there were even aspects of it that I didn't even think to ask for. He helped us secure our furniture to be moved off-site while the project was being done. We just thought about having to pack it up and move it ourselves or rent a pods, and he scheduled all of that and made that a part of the claim as well. Asked also for air ducts to be cleaned. We didn't even think about that because we had used the fire extinguisher after the fire, and that put a lot of residue up into the ducts. He took care of that, helped us think of things that were way outside of the scope that we had done. He also helped us clean the house after the project was done, which is a great touch, and just really helped us get back on our feet much quicker than we would have done by ourselves.